I made a virtual magic 8-ball. I coded it in Python, and it's very simple. You just run the code. Well, first you would ask it a question. Not that it the program will know anything about what your question is. It's a magic because it's just lines of code, so it doesn't know what your question is. Typing in a question, but you would ask it a question, and then you hit the run button, and then it'll randomly select the answer for you. So I will demonstrate. Magic 8-ball. Will I be rich and famous in 2020? And then I hit the run button, and it executes the code, and the magic 8-ball told me outlook not so good. So I guess I'm not going to be rich or famous next in 2020.